Hello, everyone! Today we're going to talk about some amazing gadgets that are perfect for kids at home. These gadgets not only entertain kids, but also help them learn and develop various skills. So, let's dive in. First up is the learning board game. This interactive board game teaches kids about numbers, colors, and shapes while having fun. The game includes questions and challenges that boost children's cognitive and problem-solving skills. Next is the smartphone or tablet for kids. These devices come with age-appropriate apps that are designed to teach kids about letters, numbers, and basic computer skills. Kids can explore their creativity through games and educational content. Another great gadget is the Science Experiment Kit. This set includes all the necessary materials for kids to conduct various science experiments at home. They can learn about chemistry, physics, and biology in a fun and engaging way. For the fitness enthusiasts, we have the fitness tracker. This gadget helps kids monitor their daily physical activities, such as running, jumping, and even swimming. It keeps track of their progress and encourages them to stay active and healthy. Lastly, the virtual reality headset is a must-have for kids who love technology. These VR headsets allow them to explore virtual worlds, interact with friends, and even learn new skills through immersive experiences. In conclusion, gadgets like the learning board game, smartphone or tablet, science experiment kit, and virtual reality headset are fantastic tools for parents to help their kids develop essential skills. So, go ahead and give these gadgets a try. You won't be disappointed.